Do you guys like to keep the body nice and groomed and clean summertime, year-round? This video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name's Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video of Meridian products. These are grooming products. We are going to go through a lot of products of their line, but just like all my videos, after the video is done, you guys can look in the description box right below this video is going to be the link where you guys can read more about it, see pricing and all that. We have the body grooming trimmer right here by Meridian. We have foot spray. We have another trimmer. We have a nose and ear trimmer. We have a pair of boxers and a replacement blade for the trimmer. We also have some other products off camera right here. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. All right, let's go ahead and show you a few of the products here. We have a nice canvas pouch bag for your toiletries, your overnight bag, nice little slotted pockets in there as well. Pack your trimmer, toothbrush, shaving cream, you guys get the idea. Cool little handle, vintage look to it. That's actually pretty cool. Next up, we're gonna have ourselves a nail kit right here. These are all designed really sick. Nice canvas. Right here we have our tweezers. We have some scissors. We have nail cutters, a nail file, and kind of a nail pick here. Stainless steel to them here. And us guys, we need to take care of ourselves. I'm not into super primping, but I primp enough. I keep my nails nice and short. I like to cut my cuticles. Even these little things right here, I can't stand on the side right there. You guys get the idea. These I'm excited about. I love myself a fresh pair of boxers. Let's go ahead and take a look at these real quick. Nice little elastic band to them, and those feel great. Definitely dry fit, and we're looking forward to taking these through the ringer here. I think I picked up a size medium, definitely dry wick. I'm looking forward to putting those to the test in boxing class, see how they feel, because I hate having to tug downstairs while I'm exercising. Coming over here to foot spray. Say bye to itchy, bad smelling feet. I'm definitely curious about this one and putting this to the test. Next up is the spray. Say bye to odor and skin irritation. Okay, and exactly what I thought. Use 1 to 2 pumps on your growing after a workout or shower whenever you feel the need for a little refreshment. Especially in boxing, kickboxing classes. We're doing so many twists and turns. You guys know what I'm talking about. This is gonna come in handy. Next up is gonna be that's pretty cool. This is gonna be a really sick design. And you're like, Chris, what in the world is that? Well, my friends, that's a cool design. That pulls off, and that is gonna be your ears and nose trimmer with a little light there. We're gonna give these all a full charge before we do run them for the first time. And it looks like this down here is where the battery goes down here, and charging input is right on the edge with a micro USB. And then just turns back into place, flip up switch there with a nice grip and fill to it, matte finish. That's actually a really cool design. You have your micro USB cable down below with a cleaning kit there. I like that. Well, you guys guessed it. Here I am. I'm actually showing their microphone right here. Unfortunately, my microphone was not on, so we're going to do some voiceover work, but I'll go ahead and show you the sound of it in just a second here, but I want to just talk about the trimmer. Now, this thing works great. It has a wide tooth ceramic blade to it, meaning it's just a little bit wider than I am used to, and I like that because you're getting more volume or more mass or whatever you want to call it. You're just clipping more hair, and what it is, it's great because we're getting right there in the crevice of the chest. And again, my chest is going to turn a little red because obviously I'm a white dude, but there's no scraping. Now you got to be a little bit more sensitive in certain areas. The chest is very durable, so to speak. Your skin is very, you can just whip it through there and no worries. But obviously if you're going to go downstairs, be careful with that. This is still a clipper. It does have anti-nick technology, but stomach, same thing. You're just going to whip through it on areas that are a little bit more durable. Chest, underarms, and down south, or even in the rear end. You're going to just have to take it a little bit slower. Arm hair, super fast, and I like to actually shave my arms to show my leanness of my veins. Just personal preference myself, but this thing is doing a great job. And if you want to do a quick little trim instead of shaving in the shower, then this would definitely be a great tool to use. I do like the battery indicator lights on the front of it. Feels good in my hand. The texture feels good in my hand. And what I also like is I'm getting right there where typically I get shaving rash bumps with a razor, straight razor I should say. and within 2 minutes, you literally can trim up your arms if they are stubbly. Obviously, a straight razor will get a little bit smoother, but this does a nice job if you are trying to get it quickly on the go. It might actually take it down even shorter than dry scaping. You could jump in the shower and you could put some soap on there, some shaving cream, but I do like it flops open. The blade stays attached to it. You can clean it, run it under your sink, dry it out, flip-flop it. It again is waterproof, which is really nice as well. Now we're actually showing you the nose and ears trimmer, and it does a great job. And I know I have my eyes a little bit squinted here, but it does not pull, does not yank, does not hurt. It might, tickle just a little bit, because you're cruising in there pretty good. Obviously, you could use it in your ears as well. Don't forget about the sprays. And I do really like it. Also, check this out. So this is what I like as well for a quick little trim. You know how you guys get those stubbles right there underneath your neck and that neck hair on the back? Flip it on and just literally boom, 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 and get that if you don't have time for a straight shave. And don't forget about your leg hair as well. Let me go ahead and just show you here. We'll just slice up a few little things because obviously my leg hair is way too long right now. Summer's coming and you want to be nice and trim. It's all going down the pipe right here. Check that out. I think I'm doing it with a 6 right now. I like it a little bit shorter. That is good stuff. I think it does a great job. In the description box below is going to be the entire line of Meridian products. Trimmer, nose and ears trimmer. You guys can pick one up. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. Hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel on your way out. Subscribe. Links are below. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.